Good morning, dear students. In previous video, we have seen the expansion of a plus b raised to n using binomial theorem. Today, we will learn some interesting facts of a plus b raised to n. If you will observe the expansion of a plus b whole square, then it is a square plus 2ab plus b square. If I expand a plus b whole cube, then it is a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. What do you observe? If it is square, the number of terms are 3. If it is raised to the power 3, then terms are 4. This gives me the first conclusion that total number of terms in expansion of a plus b raised to n is n plus 1. This is our first conclusion, right? Let's understand the second conclusion. Suppose we are given a plus b raised to n and we are asked to find any general term. See, if it is a plus b whole square, then there are 3 terms, right? We can write it easily. But if it is raised to 10 or raised to 20, then we will have 11 or 21 terms respectively. For a plus b raised to 10, we will have 11 terms, and for a plus b raised to 20, we will have 21 terms. So if I want 19th or 18th term, then I won't expand that whole using binomial theorem, and I will count it and will tell you that this is my 18th or 19th term. No, at that time we'll use general term formula. So general term can be derived using formula TR plus 1 is equal to n combination R a raised to n minus R b raised to R. Yes, we will use this formula to find any term in the expansion. Suppose we are asked to find 19th term, then R plus 1 should be 19, then R will be 18. So this gives me the idea that if I am interested in finding 19th term, then I should take R as 18. We will take one less, right? If I am asked 7th term, then I will take R as 6. And if I am asked 5th term, then I will take R as 4. We will take one less than whatever it is asked, right? And the last conclusion is of middle term, right? So we'll understand. So middle term has 2 formulas actually, one for odd and one for even. So we will see that. Suppose the given expansion is a plus b raised to n, then we'll see whether n is odd or n is even, because our formula depends on n, right? If my n is even, then I have only one middle term, whose formula is n by 2 plus 1th term, right? But if n is odd, then I have 2 middle terms. One is n plus 1 by 2th term and another is n plus 3 by 2th term. Right. So If n is odd, then we have two terms, and if n is even, then we have one middle term. Right. We'll use these three rules to solve our exercise 8.2. Right. Let's understand the question from exercise 8.2. Here we are asked to find general term of the expansion given. If I compare this with a plus b raised to n, then my a is x square, my b is minus y, whereas n is 6. So general term formula is tr plus 1 is equal to n combination r a raised to n minus r b raised to r. So we'll keep n as 6, r as it is. We'll keep a as x square, n minus r, b raised to r minus y raised to r. So this is my general term. Let's refer the fifth question, where we are asked to find fourth term in the expansion of x minus 2y raised to 12. If I compare this with a plus b whole raised to n, then my a is x, b is minus 2y, and n is 12. So if I want fourth term, then I told you that I will take r is equal to 3, one less than whatever it is asked. So my r is 3. I will apply general term formula, n combination r, a raised to n minus r, b raised to r. So 12 combination 3 is 12 into 11 into 10 upon 3 into 2 into 1. X raised to 9 minus 2 raised to 3, y raised to 3. So 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12. Right. So it is minus 8 into 2 into 10 into 11, x raised to 9, y raised to 3. So this is 16, and 16 into 11 will give me 176. This is 0, this minus. So my fourth term in the expansion of this will be minus 1760 x raised to 9, y raised to 3. Let's understand the eighth question of exercise 8.2, where here we are asked to find the middle term in the expansion of x by 3 plus 9 by y raised to 10. So if I compare this with a plus b raised to n, then a is x by 3, b is 9y, whereas n is equal to 10. Mind well, 10 is even. So my middle term formula will be n by 2 plus 1th term. If I keep n as 10, so I will get 6th term. So if I'm interested in finding 6th term, then I should take r as 5. We will apply general formula, n combination r, a raised to n minus r, b raised to r. Right. So 10 combination 5 can be expanded as x raised to 5, 3 raised to 5. This is 3 square, so I can write 3 raised to 10, y raised to 5. Right. I don't have ample space. We'll rub some part of it. Where is the dust? Right. So 5 2s are 10, 3 4s are 12, so 6 1s are 6 2s are 2 1s are 2, 4s are 8. So I am left with 9 into 4 into 7. If I do it on calculator, 9 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 7, and it is 252 into, here power will get subtracted as the base is same and it is in division, so it is 3 raised to 5, whose answer is, I think, 243. Yes, it is 243 into x raised to 5 y raised to 5. So I will multiply this to 243 into 252. So my answer is 6123 x raised to 5 y raised to 5. So this is my middle term in the given expansion.